Today in this video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can fix this app is restricted to premium user only on Spotify. Spotify error 409. So if you're facing this problem and if you're opening Spotify on your laptop or on your mobile phone showing this error, then I will be telling you guys how to fix it. But before I show you the way, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First thing first, you have to check if your internet is stable because sometimes due to slow internet causes this problem. Now even with fast internet, you're still facing this problem, then first thing first, go to the setting of your Spotify. Click on the setting icon at the top of your screen. Once you're over here, go on versus storage and click on versus clear cache. Click on clear cache. Once you do that, your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, just close Spotify, go on App Store, and on the search at the bottom, click on it. And at the top, you want to search for Spotify. After you search for it, you have to check if there's any update. So my says open over here. That means it's up to date. But if in your screen it shows update, click on update to update your Spotify. Your problem should be fixed. And even after updating your Spotify, if it is not fixed, the last thing you need to do is just delete your Spotify app and reinstall it again, because sometimes due to bug it causes this problem. So if you do this step like deleting Spotify app and reinstalling it, the first thing, it'll update your Spotify because you will be downloading the latest version of it, and it will be like deleting the bug along with the app as well. So when you reinstall it, your Spotify will be fresh and you can re-log in into your account and use your Spotify, and your problem should be fixed. So that's how we guys can fix this app is restricted to premium user only Spotify problem. So hit that subscribe to our channel app tutorial. I'll see you guys next time.